Hello and welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in Torreta 3 and today we're looking forward to going to one of our favourite places to eat and drink. But before that, let's take a look at the beautiful surroundings around this pink lake here in Torreta 3. Torreta 3 sits in Torrevieja between the pink lake on the left and the CV 905 on the right. We are now on our way to Bar Patricia, where we've already booked for their wine tasting evening. Lovely, thank you. So, it's very nice, isn't it? We're at Bar Pats and we're having we've invited ourselves to the wine tasting evening. And so far, it's been very nice.
Had one sample of wine so far.
Yeah,
Another one coming.
I've had some. Oh, lovely.
You need to drink
I need to drink this. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
La Mancha, this one, isn't it? La Mancha, yeah.
You see the color is not the same like before one.
Yeah.
It's more clear,
Yeah,
a little bit more fruity.
yeah, nice.
Very similar grape, but different.
Right. We've had one wine so far, which is a house wine at Bar Pats, and it's a dry white, which we've just sampled. It was very nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And this one is a La Mancha, very similar grape. The first one we had was a wine from Murcia, which is a house wine at Bar Pats, which we've had many times, haven't we? We didn't realise what it was, but there we go, we found out what it is now. It's very nice. This is very nice, is it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like this. It's a bit, like I said, it's fruitier.
Do you like it better than the first
I
one?
think I do. It's a bit lighter.
This is from La Mancha, the La Mancha region. It's the same type of grape. I haven't tried it myself yet. Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah, got a bit more flavour, hasn't it? Yeah. So this is white wine number 2, and I must say that I like this better than the first one.
And you're eating celery.
Yeah. No, that's not right, is it?
You don't like
I
celery,
don't like celery.
but do you like celery now?
I could eat it all, to be honest with you. Could eat a scabby donkey.
It's from the Rioja region in Spain, and it is also dry, but again not as dry as the previous 2 wines. Sergio's asked me just to ask you to have a look at the different colours in the wines and have a proper taste so you can see the different levels of dry that we have to offer. This is available to buy at €8 per bottle. Oh, the Patricia towel. I have no idea. It's a selection of different cheeses.
We're about to receive our third. Have you said what it is yet?
Yeah.
And then what?
It's £8 a bottle, €8 a bottle.
That's all we need
That's
to
all I
know.
remember. Not doing well here. Third glass.
Is it La Mancha as well?
Rioja.
Oh, Rioja. Ah, yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.
Gracias.
The 1000 wine is coming from the Rioja,
Yeah.
12.5%. Very similar what you drinking before, but from Rioja.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Very similar to number 2. I thought. What do you think?
Yeah, similar to number 2, but
Similar to number 2.
a bit of a stronger taste.
Do you think so?
Yeah,
I think
to number 2.
I think 2 was stronger than this. I think this is a little bit milder. Is it because of 10 onions have you seen?
You need to keep a clear palate.
Well, I keep having a swig of beer. I keep having a swig of San Miguel just to clear it out.
And an onion. Get your celery.
San Miguel.
Oh, I think you've gone.
Go back to the main subject. We're talking about wine here.
Yeah. But cheese and wine got together.
Talking about wine.
You just spun your head round.
I know. I've got sun on back of my neck. I'm trying to protect my neck because I've got no cover here. Somebody likes the wine.
You're getting a bit giddy on this next table. Yeah, that taste.
It's nice.
Different.
They're all nice.
Yeah.
I prefer number 2 though. That's number 3. I prefer the La Mancha. That's Rioja.
I thought Rioja was red wine.
No, Rioja's a region, isn't it? La Mancha's a region.
Okay, guys, the last of the white wines to try is the Cubata. This is from the Rueda area in Spain, and it's made from the, what's the grape again? Verdejo grape. Cubata actually means Thai in Spanish, so it's just a fancy wine. Again, look at the colour. Yeah, dry and fruity, guys. Have a look again at the colour and have a good swig. This is available to buy for €10 per bottle, and this will be available at all times in-house, but it will be available per bottle.
So we're just waiting to try the number 4. Number 4 white. Oh, thank you. So this is number 4.
Yeah.
This is number 4
Yeah.
of the white.
The last white.
Let's have a look then. Let's
Got
see what
some
we
more
think.
chocolate cheese now, look.
Oh. You ready? We're going to try number 4 now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Bing.
This is €10 a bottle. This.
That's nice.
It's very nice. Yeah.
This is nice.
This is probably the best of the 4 white wines.
Yeah.
I would say. Rosé's coming out now. Get ready for the rosé.
Okay, guys, we're going to be going on to the rosé wines now. Please keep the same glasses as the white. Sorry, we're going to change glasses for the red. Okay. So onto the rosé, we've got our house rosé, which is Santanegro again from Murcia.
Santanegro from Murcia.
Murcia.
The grape is Shiraz grape, and it's a dry rosé, right?
Is that Shiraz or
And it's a dry
Shiraz?
rosé.
Dry rosé.
Dry rosé.
Which is the house rosé?
This one?
This one.
Yeah.
So if you buy it, when you buy it by the glass here, it's 150.
Yeah.
So you'd get 4 glasses.
So what does that work
So
out?
that would work out at 6. But if you buy it by the bottle, it's 5.
Yeah.
I presume if you buy it here, by the bottle, it'll be 5.
So if you're going to drink wine all night, you come in here, you get a bottle, of house white
Yeah.
for €5.
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah, it's good.
Very good.
Yeah, thank you.
This is very good. I'm the supplier of the wine here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm coming from San Miguel.
Yeah.
You see the car?
Oh,
Costa
okay.
Blanca Drinks is the company.
Yeah.
We supply San Miguel,
Yeah.
wine, milk, soft drinks, water and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is my best quality house wine.
Yeah.
This is from Murcia.
Yeah.
It's coming from Murcia. The bodega is called the name San Dionisio. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's Shiraz, the grape. It's just a house wine.
Shiraz is a grape.
Shiraz is the grape.
Yeah.
Shiraz is in Spain.
It's still Shiraz. It's Shiraz, same thing. Okay.
Shiraz and Shiraz
Yeah.
is the same. So this year, this company is making the best rosado because sometimes it's very dark.
Yeah.
But now, if you look at it, it's like wow.
Yeah.
Right, lovely colour.
Yeah. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's try this then. The first rosé, house rosé. The house rosé of Bar Patricia.
You're struggling.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice, isn't it?
That is nice, yeah.
Yeah, you like rosé, don't you?
Yeah. And I usually get white wine when I come here. Anne gets rosé, doesn't she?
Yeah. I'd like that. I would think.
And that's what she'll be getting.
Yeah, the house rosé, very nice. A Syrah, so it's a Shiraz. As we
I
know the
actually
Shiraz.
like that better than the house white
Do you?
that you get here.
There you
Yeah.
go. Now you know to get the house
So next
rosé.
time I come here and I
get
drink
it.
wine,
We get a house rosé.
I'll get the rosé.
I'm looking forward to tasting the reds. And, oh, here we go.
It's my favourite one.
Is it?
Rosé, yeah.
That first one was nice. That's it. Come on, don't be stingy. It's a similar flavour, but more of it. If you see what I mean. That's what I'm saying. I don't know.
I
This.
prefer the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've just been served probably the last measure of the rosé wines, which I'm sure is going to run out very shortly.
You'll get extra.
I got extra. I got a top up.
Yeah.
I've just ordered a pint of San Miguel just to keep me. What's the word? Me.
Your palate.
Palate. That's the word I'm looking for. To keep my palate fresh. I want my palate
Or
to
to
be.
keep you fresh.
Need be bloody pushing. I tell you. Oh, we got some new glasses.
That's for the red wine. This is where the serious stuff comes in.
Oh, winter my favourite now.
We are going on to our house red, which is available
I
per
come?
glass and per bottle.
Yeah.
It's the Santanegro. Again, it's from Murcia, and it
Santanegro.
is Tempranillo grapes. This is a dry red.
This is the house wine.
It's not going to be able to get home.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's quite dry, that for me. 150 a glass.
You like it?
I like it, but I wouldn't buy it because it's a bit dry. This is a wine tasting.
It's all good content.
You've got to get a bit silly. Like so messy, as they say.
Oh, it's topping us up.
no,
It's topping us up.
thank
Oh,
you.
look. No, oh, they couldn't possibly. Oh, hey!
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's dry.
It's quite dry.
Yeah, it's quite dry. I'll drink it though.
I'm
Yeah.
sure you will.
Yeah. I look forward to the next one. You see. What are you laughing at? You're being serious now. You're being serious now.
Okay, go on.
I forgot what we're going to say.
Okay, everybody, we're going to be bringing around the next red wine. This is called Benza. It's from La Mancha area of Spain. It's been stored after brewing for 12 months in a French wooden barrel.
Oh,
Oh, lovely, thank you.
oh, it looks so good. Ah,
Thank you.
thank you. This is Benza.
Bizarre, Tempranillo is the grape. It's coming from La Mancha,
Okay.
5 months barrel.
Wow. Yeah.
They make the wine,
Lovely, thank you, yeah.
make the wine. They put the barrel, the grape in the barrel for 5 months, and after they're gonna sell.
5 months.
5 months old.
Wow,
Yeah, yeah. Excellent.
sounds good.
I'm going to put you in a barrel for 5 months.
Why? Why would you do that
Well,
to me?
keep you fresh.
Okay, guys, we're going up to our third glass of red wine now.
There may be
This
somebody
is
with us.
a Rioja. It's from the Rioja region in Spain. This has been cured for 12 months in a French wooden barrel, and it is available per bottle only at €8. €8 per bottle. I'm not a wine person. Who's supposed to be doing this? I'm not paid for this.
You're doing very well.
That's why it sounds like Spanglish half of it.
No, you're doing really well.
Oh, great job. That's nice. That's better. It's better. It's very dry.
That's dry.
Very dry.
Very
but
dry.
a nice flavour.
Yeah, but
Dry with a nice flavour.
yeah. But if it's dry, it's not for me.
Yeah, but it's nice flavour, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice
It's got a
flavour.
beautiful flavour.
Yeah.
Really beautiful flavour, but
Too dry for me.
very dry.
If you like dry wine,
Dry.
it's really nice.
It's very dry.
I'm not into dry wine.
It's very dry,
Yeah,
but a lovely flavour.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. A little doggy.
Where's the doggy? How many more have we got to go through now?
Just one more red, I think.
Great.